Good morning, welcome to another vlog. We are heading on into Disneyland Paris right now. I've just got the security gates ahead of us, and then we need to get these guys the privilege tickets again, and then we're heading to studios today.
Yay! We haven't been into studios in the morning for quite some time.
Quite some time.
So we're going to give it a whirl today. We're being ushered.
Ushered this way. So we're hot-footing it down to crushes, I think, with the rest of the park, everybody else. It is reading as a 50-minute wait. We are still within the extra magic hour by like 5 minutes, so we're hopefully going to get on it before the hordes come through the gates. They're all waiting up where you have to get your reservation checked. But we're just coming up to it now. Crushes was a great ride.
It was.
So good. We were in the back, weren't we?
We've never been in the back before. It's quite a different experience.
It's very good.
Especially when it starts at the top and you're right there. And all you can see is, plummeting to your death.
Your death. Speaking about plummeting to your death, the Hollywood Tower Hotel is taking reservations. It's only a 10-minute wait. So we're jumping on Cars road trip. Something that we haven't done since our first trip, I think.
No, because it's so thrilling.
It's not our favourite ride, but we thought we'd experience it with Becky and Ashley. Let them enjoy it as well.
We're dreaming potentially good.
Okay.
Les amis, il y a...
At least that's warming us up a little bit.
Nom de pneu! J'espère que vous appréciez mon hommage à la ville phare. So groovy.
So we've come into the restaurant as you walk into Walt Disney Studios.
We don't know the name of it. Studio 1 fast, quick serve area.
Yeah, but it's a lot of burgers. We've never been here before.
No.
So Lloyd's got the cheeseburger.
Yeah.
Plain. We had to wait.
Sauce. Sauce.
Some fries. We got special barbecue sauce because we had to wait.
I like barbecue sauce. That's the only sauce I like.
And then I got a salad, poulet and emmental. Poulet, which looks exciting. It's the only thing that is gluten-free on the menu. And Becky and Ashley both got burgers.
Black Widow Spy Burger.
With fries.
Nice.
Coke Zero. Yeah.
Cheers. After that spot of lunch, we're gonna head on into the village, Disney Village, to go into Disney fashion and look and see if there's any new items that are knocking about. Becky's had her eye on this for a little while.
It's very nice.
You tried it on, didn't you?
I did. It's very long and it's very cosy.
Yeah.
Cosy but practical.
That's true. It is very nice. I do like it.
And then I really like the bag.
Yeah, it's very similar to the bag that you're actually got on right now, isn't it? The Cath Kidston one. Yeah.
So like these. I just get the whole collection. That's sweet as well.
Well, it is someone's birthday coming up very soon, isn't it? Becky's ears have come off because you have seen the Marie ears that you wanted and you were upset that you didn't get.
Very sweet.
Very sweet. I'll switch it around. There you go.
Quite softer, aren't they? What do you think?
I like them. They're nice. So we've had a little pit stop in Starbucks and now we're ready to take on Avengers.
Energizing.
Lightning McQueen's coming this way.
Tonight, Chef Remy is preparing one of his specialties, which I am certain you will enjoy. Remember, food always comes to those who love to cook, but not to those who are into dinner.
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Rémi.
We've already started tucking in. This is the first plate in PYM. Some good stuff. That's just gone similar. It's good. And then the girls have just gone. Very, very nice.
So here's my starter. It's very cheesy and salady.
So this is my dessert plate. Wow. So we've got a raspberry tart, part of a blue donut, a gummy bear, jelly, and some cake, red velvet, and blue custard. That was a delicious meal. So full.
Very full.
My goodness me.
It was so much better than the last time we went.
Yeah.
You've seen our Marvel Day when it first opened, and I don't know what we gave the review, but this time
I don't think
like double the point.
Yeah, I don't think we gave it very good scores last time, which is why we haven't rebooked it.
Which is the
But
thing with Disney restaurants.
yeah,
It's that one minute it can be absolutely amazing, the next is not, or the other way around.
yeah, definitely. But highly recommend it now. It's so good.
Le vibranium du Wakanda ou ce fluide extraterrestre dément. On a les particules de Pif et StarTech. Ça nous permet de développer des trucs incroyables comme
Here we go. Who's gonna win?
Oh,
Not me.
Tu m'impressionnes, Spider-Man. Tu as vraiment
Is
résolu
there any more? Is that it? Did I win? I won!
Salut, c'est Peter. Vous dites qu'avec Spider-Man, vous avez sauvé le monde.
Right. Downgrading threat level to Tony. En fait,
Mieux vaut le dire à tout le monde.
I'm genuinely surprised that I won that. Genuinely surprised. Loki and Thor are out, meeting and greeting. Oh, they're going. They're off. They're off on their journeys. Bye, guys. Bye. They don't care.
No need to be excited.
Very full, and we're going to spin around.
It's like we're going to be on the open seas, Lloyd. It'll be fine. You want to go and RC race?
I do. I want to go on Flight
I'm just not
Force.
sure about it.
My tummy is so full.
I'd rather go on Flight Force than RC race. It's very hard, and everyone screams.
It's not that bad. Or Tower of Terror. Maybe. Oh, my tummy. Like hanging on for dear life, by the way.
Just to stop you like going to the side.
Yeah.
It's quite
We're now doing something we've never done, which is the Cars, what is it, Royale something?
I don't know.
It's the spinny cars. Alien swirling saucers. Yeah.
Swirling whirlers.
Swirling whirlers. Yeah. So something Royale. It's a 5-minute wait. We thought, you know what? May as well. Are you ready for this, by the way?
I don't mind spinning after dinner. It's like, you know, up and down and swirly whirlers.
Go in this red one. Oh no, there you go, that one. Okay, we'll go in this one then. Wow, this is a bit scary. Hello. We've got to put seatbelts on.
To all recruits, thank you for your heroic efforts today. You have shown great courage and determination, but your training cannot be complete without one last special lesson.